Hey guys, so recently I happened to attend this Rev Up Your Workflow AI Agent hackathon organized by Airia in Abu Dhabi, and there we got a chance to actually have the access to this area platform and then build an agent. And the theme was actually it was about some F1 race. So whatever you can actually build with related to the F1 race, AI companion, something like that. And yeah, obviously I don't have much knowledge into the F1 race and their technology, technical words and everything, but still I use some chat gpt, Gemini, and then to get some insight. And then I've tried to build this live race insight companion. So as you can see, this was my POC. I'll just open it. So here I have built a simple logic based. This is actually a live companion where any user, this is basically developed in the viewer's perspective, the audience perspective. So whoever is watching, the live telemetry data gets fed into the database on a asynchronous basis, and then the analytics, or as you can say the data, in the Airia platform particularly, so the vector database, the indexing and then embedding indexing, vector search, semantic search, all are combined together within the data source if you select the Airia as your data source. Then so this workflow, as you can see, so the input would be a simple user question, and then it goes to the query enhancer. This is a small agent where actually because the user might ask in a very vague wording and everything, so it has the knowledge of F1 race and about the track and everything, so it enhances the query and then it passes to the data source to do the semantic search. And then here it does the semantic search based on the inputs we give it to it, and then it sends it to the reasoning agent, right? So the reasoning agent then do this comprehensive thinking, reasoning about what user asked and what it has been showing and what were the results, and then finally it sends the filtered data to the synthesizer agent. The synthesizer actually does the final response generation. So it has the user query, it has the intent, it has the data source knowledge and everything, and then finally generates the output and it will be shown. So I'll just show on how does it works. Maybe I'll ask so is there any relation between pit stops and lap speed of, right, compare between Verstappen and McLaren maybe. So what it does is it actually now enhances the query based on the F1 knowledge and F1 usage, and then it already went to the data source. Now the data source is working, right? So now it will do the semantic search and it has sent this to the reasoning agent. The reasoning agent, I have specifically designed it as a deep research because it has to go through the entire database, entire chunks, index chunks, and it has to design a comprehensive answer, and then the synthesizer is actually giving me this output, right? So no consistent direct relationship, but definitely it is there, right? So for Verstappen, McLaren drivers, right? So this is how it works, but since this is, I don't have the actual data, it is like this, right?